Hello and a very warm welcome to our beloved Vivo family. I'm Fahad and I'm truly honored to be hosting the unveiling event of yet another masterpiece by the leading global smartphone brand Vivo. With its latest flagship smartphone, the Vivo V20, Vivo is proud to share innovative experiences with you that have been reinvented throughout the years. Vivo has brought forward this cool and unique digital event experience for all of you so that you could also enjoy and become a part of this event from the comfort of your homes and your workplaces. Vivo has been making our daily lives easier and aesthetically pleasing throughout these years. Without a single doubt, Vivo is breaking barriers and innovating our lives with its exceptional technology advancements. From a single front camera to dual front cameras and AI photography, Vivo keeps making strides in selfie technology with the V series. With the V9, they launched AI face beauty technology for the first time to enhance our facial dimensions and improve facial features, which makes your selfies clearer and more natural. With the V15, they introduced the world's first 32-megapixel elevating front camera at the time. This allowed to create a true bezel-less full-view display. And the V17 Pro goes one step further with elevating dual front cameras. The secondary super wide-angle camera brings unprecedented perspective to selfies. And based on consumer needs for improving night selfie results, the V19 featured super night selfie to defy darkness and cast radiance all over. Further, Vivo added Aura screen light to help users get outstanding self-portraiture day and night, and to record your lives, express yourselves through the development in hardware and software. Every V-series product showcases how much Vivo cares about the user's deepest feelings. Vivo continues to be one of the strongest and fastest growing smartphone brands in the country. It claims to be a reliable innovator and has committed itself to meet the demands of its consumers. Hope you all know that Vivo was the world's first brand to introduce in-display fingerprint scanning technology. Not just this, it's also satisfied its customers with different budgets by releasing many different ranges of smartphones every year. Hence, Vivo is emphasizing on reinventing technology for you, putting utmost effort to make each experience worth the while and ensuring a better future. The reimagined design of Vivo V20 flagship device celebrates Vivo's relentless drive of expanding horizons and exploring the unknown. Every aspect of the Vivo V20 is elegantly designed and carefully crafted. We'll be feeling the magic of constellations with exquisite hues. Just watch out. Vivo has lots of surprise giveaways for you guys. Yes, the ones who've been a part of this amazing event with us. Just answer a simple question and win your gift right away. Which is your favorite feature of the Vivo V20? Your options are 44-megapixel autofocus selfie, 7.38mm sleek design with AG glass, or the 64-megapixel night camera. Leave your answers in the comments section below. Well, dear Vivo fans and followers, we have some really special guests by our side as well. You pretty much know who they could be, and as they say, ladies first. So I would like to first welcome on stage the sensational diva, the gorgeous and our very favorite brand ambassador of Vivo V20. Please welcome Hania Aamir. Hello.
Hello, thank you for the lovely introduction. Okay. Yeah, thank you.
You look stunning as always.
Thank you. This event is even more stunning.
Indeed it is. We can't wait to experience the V20 together. But before we go on to that, everyone would love to know what's your favorite part of this amazing phone?
Well, it's pretty hard to answer this because I love this phone quite a lot. But if you ask me, the actual best part for me is the selfie camera. Trust me, the picture quality left me speechless. The users these days care about their selfies a lot. So Vivo continues the dedication to enhance their selfie experience. Today, Vivo has brought us all a selfie flagship with super selfie power delivered through a 44-megapixel eye autofocus front camera.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hania, I'm personally quite sold on this camera myself, in this phone in fact. It's an industry-leading flagship sensor, the GH1, which is highly light sensitive, and currently 44 megapixel is the leading front camera resolution of phones in the flagship range. This has 37.5% more pixels compared to a 32 megapixel phone.
Wow.
Such high resolution means that you can zoom in rigorously and keep on getting vivid and clear details in your pictures.
Vivo just leveled up the game for selfie fanatics like me. Not just this, Fazan, I tried taking some shots at night and they were fabulous too. Yeah. Generally, raat ke waqt, I really avoid taking pictures, but this device and its camera has my heart. Vivo updated the super night selfie function through software and hardware optimization, it can shoot multiple frames and select those of top quality. With multi-exposure, it delivers clear detail on those bright spots by increasing the dynamic range for even more impressive night photos. They also have introduced a noise reduction algorithm to enhance clarity even further. How amazing is that?
You know, this 44 megapixel autofocus camera has a large f2.0 aperture, which anybody who's used a camera knows is incredible, and a punched panel to enhance the amount of light that the sensor receives. So even in low light scenarios, Vivo turned out to be a game changer for many of us, Hania. This is the digital world, and as you know, all the Instagrammers, all the influencers, what they want is a really good camera on their phone, and they've got it now.
True that, true that. Just because V20 is a Vivo flagship and it offers 3 rear cameras, together they deliver powerful shots beyond your expectation. With 64 megapixel super definition, the details are rich and clear, while the entire image looks grand. With the 120-degree super wide angle camera, you can nicely include more friends, more landscape, and more memories in a single frame. And the additional super macro camera can focus up to 2.5 centimeters, so you can capture the world hidden right before your eyes. I also want to mention that when night falls, a lot of phone cameras fail to deliver beautiful results. The V20's main rear camera, even in low light, it can still shoot clear pictures. The super night mode has so many features that it can literally light up your nights.
By the way, Hania, I believe you're quite into vlogging and making videos, huh? Yeah. So, have you experienced that amazing feature of this phone, which is the dual view video feature?
Of course, Faizan, this one is pretty cool. You can now double your creative powers by recording with 2 cameras at the same time.
I'm quite sure that the effect that creates is absolutely incredible. But I've heard the eye autofocus. Yeah. I believe it gives clarity in stillness and motion. Have you tried that? How true is it?
It keeps a subject in sharp focus by locking onto their eyes. No matter how they move, it breaks the limits of distance and motion both to shoot crystal clear selfies and videos.
Well, this phone is quite an all-rounder then. But would you tell me, which color do you love the most?
They're both really nice, but I love the sunset melody color. It has these warm tropical hues, reminiscent of sunset beaches almost, which bursts of glowing color that sing a glorious melody together.
That sounds fantastic, Hania. Thank you very much for joining us. And you know, it's always a pleasure bumping into this young lady, but today it's especially wonderful because she's the brand ambassador of the V20 smartphone. All the best to you and see you in a little while.
Thank you so much, Faizan. It feels great to be associated with such a brand which is in a continuous effort to technologically uplift our daily lives. Thank you, Vivo.
See you soon. See you in a little while. Vivo has lots of surprise giveaways for you guys. Yes, the ones who've been a part of this amazing event with us. Just answer a simple question and win your gift right away. Which is your favorite feature of the Vivo V20? Your options are 44 megapixel autofocus selfie, 7.38mm sleek design with AG glass, or the 64 megapixel night camera. Leave your answers in the comments section below. Now let's move further, everyone. We discussed some amazing features of the V20 with Hania Aamir a little while ago, and it's now time for us to have a fantastic Vivo star with us. I would like to welcome now the multi-talented, the super handsome, and one of the most loved superstars of Pakistan, ladies and gentlemen. Please welcome Fahad Mustafa. Looking smashing as usual, man.
Thanks, man. Try my best to compliment the Vivo V20.
Well, actually, that makes sense because at the end of the day, we're unveiling the smartest and leanest mobile phone out there. And yeah, it's one of the reasons why you're the star of Vivo Pakistan.
Thank you for the kind words, Faizan. I actually have a very sentimental association with Vivo for quite some time now. It's more like a family now. Moreover, I feel super great to see this brand setting standards in the technology and the industry. You know.
Well, there's no denying that, Fahad. At the end of the day, we're here for the unveiling of the flagship phone from Vivo, which is the V20. I believe you have a bit of experience with the phone. I would like to ask you, what's your favorite feature of this phone? We just got to know Hania's.
Ours would be the selfie camera, if I'm
Of course.
Yeah. Well, if I talk about myself, I'm completely sold at the look of this phone. This ultra sleek device has my heart. You all will witness it yourself tonight. First glance leaves you like, wow.
Without a doubt, man. I mean, everywhere you look on this phone, you see signs of innovation, meticulous attention to detail, and really, after 10 months of deliberating and fine-tuning this design, which really is a spectacular phone. It's a much lighter phone. It helps users feel more comfortable during prolonged phone usage and avoids them wrist pain.
The slimmer the better, Fazan. As they say, love at first sight. One does fall in love with this device as it embodies a minimalistic aesthetic and is a prime example of a sleek and slim phone design. The V20 body is 7.38 millimeters thick and weighs just 171 grams, a new record for the V series. It is 13% thinner than V19, 8% lighter, and despite its sleek form, the display size is still the optimal 6.44 with Super AMOLED HDR10 resolution.
Yep. And just to add to that, the rear cover of the new phone features 2.5D curves meticulously crafted to perfection. It looks slim and it's comfortable to hold. The overall symmetrical aesthetic is a pure delight. And what else is interesting about this smartphone? We'll ask Fahad.
Oh yes, actually I like the video features, especially the slow-mo selfie video feature.
Oh yeah.
It is so cool. Slow motion is a great way to uncover your creative potential.
Indeed.
With selfies, videos captured at 240 FPS, all the details of your action and even your inner emotions can be fully expressed.
I mean, one can really turn on the slow-mo selfie video to showcase high-speed motion or highlight exciting action without losing clarity at all. And perhaps you could tell us a bit more about your favorite video features?
Fazan, the 4K video feature gives great results too. One could closely capture details in great quality. V20's 44 megapixel front camera can record high resolution videos. Not just this, when recording selfie videos in motion, camera shake is a big problem, and you know that.
Oh yeah.
Vivo's first steady face selfie video uses algorithms to identify the position of the face so you can move any way you like and your face will remain steady in the video.
What an amazing phone it is, man. I must say, there's another excellent feature called the memory recaller.
Yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yes. We all have old photos that we
Right.
cherish. Some of them may be in low resolution or blurry.
Yeah.
Memory recaller is a restoration tool which can make them new again.
Yep. It's a good way of bringing back to life those pictures from times that have long passed, But what did you think of the phone's performance as a phone?
I definitely did. In terms of battery power, V20 comes with a 4000 mAh battery with high energy density.
Yeah.
Well, it supports the fast and secure 33 watt flash charge technology, which can charge to 65% in just 30 minutes.
That's absolutely terrific, man. Nobody wants to carry a power bank anymore, and I think they've done a great job with the novel design of this Vivo V20. It offsets the camera's protrusions and puts everything in a neat order, don't you think?
Absolutely. The highlight on the back of the phone is the camera matrix.
Well, other than materials and body lines, I must say, colors are yet another element that Vivo has used for its artistic expression. And this time they've gone past the usual technological industry. They've gone to other industries and they've looked around at what may inspire them. And guess where they found inspiration? In music. In the music industry at that, of all the places. And I would like to ask you at this point, which is your favorite color in the V20 range?
I love the Midnight Jazz. This edition features an overall upscale and classic black tone on a delicate matte surface with a subtle transition to silver grey. It speaks of confidence and power.
Yeah.
Light and shade dance across the matte surface like the flow of jazz beats,
Yeah.
It's both dynamic and distinctive.
That sounds remarkable, my friend. Our audience will surely be intrigued by their first glance of the Vivo V20, which is about to be revealed, especially after hearing about all the top features from you guys. And once again, I would like to invite the gorgeous Hania Aamir on stage once again. Are you both excited?
Yes.
Absolutely.
It must be. Must have been so much fun to shoot that TVC together, no?
Yes, it was.
Come on. And now that we have all this information that we've been giving for quite a while to all our Instagrammers and all the influencers who are watching this program, I'm sure they can't wait any longer for the pricing information, which will be revealed very soon. But before that, I would like to show the TVC for this wonderful V20 phone. So let's see that. And of course, Fahad, Mustafa and Hania Aamir are the stars of this one. Let's watch.
Whether you're close or far, be the focus always, be Be the focus always. Be the focus always. Be the focus always. You're still or on the move. Be the focus always. Be the focus always. Whether it's day, hey, yeah, or night. Be the focus always. Be the focus always.
Vivo V20. Be the focus always.
Vivo. It was a fantastic TV commercial.
We should do a
Wonderful.
film together.
मजा आ गया होगा साथ शूट करते हुए. But I must say, ladies and gentlemen, for all of you who are watching us live and anxiously awaiting the launch of this phone, ladies and gentlemen, get your first glance now of the flagship device from Vivo Mobiles, the V20. And we begin with
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
This is the moment, ladies and gentlemen, we present to you the meticulous and technologically power-packed and yet the sleekest smartphone of them all, the V20 Mobile. The moment that we've all been waiting for. 44 megapixel autofocus, front cam, 64 megapixel triple rear camera. The V20 is right here in front of us.
Great. Nice.
Everyone, this is what we call a revolutionary smartphone. It has just cast a spell of sophistication upon all of us, and definitely this phone is crafted to perfection, the Vivo V20, beautifully equipped with triple AI camera for you to take jaw-dropping photos every time. And what a fantastic phone, everybody. It is now available, this is the moment everyone's waiting for, at the price of 59,999 rupees only. And you can pre-order yours today as the official sales begin from 17th October. Vivo has lots of surprise giveaways for you guys. Yes, the ones who've been a part of this amazing event with us. Just answer a simple question and win your gift right away. Which is your favorite feature of the Vivo V20? Your options are 44 megapixel autofocus selfie, 7.38mm sleek design with AG glass, or the 64 megapixel night camera. Leave your answers in the comments section below. What a great unveil it has been. You've been a great audience. Thank you very much, Team Vivo, brand ambassadors, our guests and Vivo fans. Hope you all had a good time. Stay home and stay safe. Until next time, this is your host Faizan Haqi signing off. Take care.
Whether you're close or far, be the focus always. Be the focus always. Be the focus always. Be the focus always. You're still or on the move. Be the focus always. Be the focus always. Whether it's day, or night. Be the focus always. Be the focus always.
Vivo.